Hi guys, this is Victor with DIY Time, and today I'm going to show you how you can open the door on the front load Samsung washer if it doesn't turn on. Our washer broke today and we couldn't open the door anymore. We filed a warranty claim, but before they get here we need to take everything out before it starts stinking. The first thing you want to do is unplug the washer and pull it out to access the back of it. Next, you'll need to remove 2 bolts in the back to be able to take out the top cover. After you remove the bolts, slide the top cover back and lift it off. Next, we're going to need to locate the door lock assembly. In my case, it's going to be on the right side. It's going to be a little difficult to get in there with the camera, but I'll try to do my best. So the thing we're looking for is that black part that you can see on the screen right there. Here's a view from a different angle to get a better look at it. And now all you need to do is just push this white part away from the door lock and the door should unlock. I'm using a hook tool to get you a better view, but you can do the same thing with your fingers. And now you should be able to open the door. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.